friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Talia. If you're new here, please subscribe. If you're here because I was trolling on Facebook, it's okay, boo boo. I work really hard on my videos and I need the views, so yeah, I promise you it won't be a waste of time. Today is a hashtag makeup Monday, so let's get into it. I'm going in with my Nikitia x Morphe palette, and I'm going to be taking the color Mystic. I know I'm putting at Mama Dragon, but I'm actually going to go in with Mystic. I was just putting out the wrong one. But I'm just going to take that and tap that onto my crease. I'm not going to blend that out. I'm just going to tap that onto my crease to basically give the eye dimension, and then we're going to go back in and blend it out. It doesn't have to be perfect, so if it doesn't look perfect, it's okay. Trust me, baby, it's okay. Look how it was looking. Exactly, it's okay. Alright, so going back in with the palette, I'm going to take Mama Dragon. I'm just going to take that to blend out Mystic. Same palette, I'm going to take Nikitia. As you guys can tell, I'm taking this palette for the whole makeup look. And I'm taking Nikitia and basically blending out them same purple shades because I wanted to have a pink in it. I want it to look very vibrant and cute and girly and Valentine's Day-y. So that's why I was doing that. You want to make sure that you're blending. You want everything to go all together and look seamlessly and beautiful. Alright, so once you're done blending that, I was taking a makeup wipe and I'm just taking it very lightly and very precisely, just wiping away some of the eyeshadow off my lid. Be very careful because I messed up the look before when I was doing this, so just be very careful. Now I'm going to take my e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer and I'm going to take that to basically cut my crease. I want to cut my crease and make it into a shape of a heart. It's kind of hard to explain, so you guys are just going to have to watch. I was actually having like a really hard time doing this, but once you get the hang of it and you do it, just don't give up. I was tempted to give up, but don't give up. If you keep working hard and doing it, I promise you it's gonna look absolutely beautiful. Because once I got done and I did it, it looked so cute. I loved it and everybody was giving me compliments on this look, so definitely keep doing it. Alright, as you guys see here, I took some eyeshadow to basically shape out the heart, and that's how I got it perfect, so you can do that. And I also went in with the dome brush, and I felt like I messed up, but look baby, we fixed that up with a little bit of eyeshadow and fixed it up with a little bit of a concealer brush, and it worked perfectly. Just don't give up, just keep your head high and do the best that you can do. You can always go back and fix it with a little bit of eyeshadow. Just don't use too much concealer like I did, but definitely you can do it. Alright, I'm going to take this beautiful light baby pink shade called Sakura. I believe that's how you say it. If it's not, you can give me in the comments. I really don't care. But I'm taking that on the heart to give it this beautiful pink pastel type of look. And I absolutely love this freaking color. It's so cute and so pretty with this look. It absolutely brings this look all together. Alright, I know it's kind of hard to see right here, but I took the color Mystic and I just took that and outlined the heart because I wanted the heart to look more defined and look very sleek and precise. So it's hard to really show you what I'm doing, so you guys are gonna just basically have to watch. I just really outlined the heart as best as I could to make it look more like a heart. Alright, so now we're going to this beautiful pink shimmery shade called Estrogen. I know that's a weird name, but anyways, it's really beautiful. I thought it was just so cute. It brings like this beautiful pop to the look, and I think it is just too cute. It's so cute, friend. I definitely highly recommend this palette. I know some people don't like Nikitia, but this palette is really it. So now I'm going to take this like eyeliner duo thing that I got from my BoxyCharm. It's the Queen something. It has like little dragons and cues on it. I don't know how to explain it. I didn't do a winged look. I just basically lined my eye, my waterline and stuff like that, just to give it a black tone, so when I put my lashes on, it looks really cute and blends into my makeup. Alright guys, time for my favorite part. These are my lashes that I sell. They're called Usagi. They're named after Sailor Moon, if you don't know who that is. And they're so cute, fluffy. They're 3D mink lashes, and I highly recommend these lashes. They're so cute and fluffy and beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. And voila, here goes the other side. It looks absolutely stunning. I love this look. I also will be having a discount code down below if you guys decide to order. Alright, so I'm taking that same concealer as earlier and putting it under my eyes like how you guys can see. I seen this on TikTok and I seen it on Pinterest, so I decided to try it out. It's supposed to give the illusion of a high cheekbone and glowy eyes, and I actually think it works really, really good and I like it. So you guys should definitely try it. If you guys do try it, let me know down below. Let me know if you guys like this way too. Like, does it look good on me? Does it not? Like, let me know. I skipped ahead and I also put some on the bridge of my nose and on the sides of my mouth. I think that works as well. It looks really pretty to me. I try to do like this new like highlighting bronzing thing because you guys know I don't really contour like that, but I did it today and I think it brought the look all together, baby. Alright, so for foundation, I got this Per 4-in-1 tinted moisturizer inside my BoxyCharm, and it's in the color MN3, and I think it's really good. It moisturizes your skin, and it also is like a, foundation, and I think this has really good coverage. I only put 2 layers on and I think it looks really good. I've never in my life used dewy foundation, but I feel like this looked so good on my skin, y'all. I can highly rave about this, and it was very, very moisturizing, and I think it's really, really good. So if you ever go to Ulta or Sephora and you see it, you definitely should try it. I also took a sponge to make it blend a little bit better into my skin. I do that with every foundation that I use. I take a brush and then I use a sponge. I just love that. Alright, time to set our face. I took my NK Professional Powder and Banana. I got this from the beauty supply store. I mean, shoot, it works absolutely good, just like drugstore makeup and high maintenance makeup. So yeah, check out your local beauty supply store and use it. I'm basically taking it on the bridge of my, like on the side of my nose and on my cheeks because, honey, we want that cute illusion, and on my cheekbones, I don't know. But now I'm gonna take my Take Home the Bronze by the Balm, and I'm just gonna bronze my face and my cheekbones, my forehead and my nose, and also my jawline. I wanted to do my nose today because I don't usually do my nose, but I thought it was gonna actually work good and look really cute to like make my nose look smaller, and it worked perfectly. Okay, so now I'm going to take that loose setting powder from earlier and put that on the bridge of my nose, and also go in with my Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush Quirky, and I'm just going to apply that to the bridge, on my smile bone and also on my nose to give me a cute little flirty type of look. Now to set everything all in place, I'm going to take my Ultra setting powder and using Banana, and I'm just going to dust that all over my face and also dust off the base that I had before, and make sure that my bronzer and my blush are into my skin nicely and beautiful. Alright, so now I'm going to take this highlighter and just put down the bridge of my nose, and I'm also going to put that on the roof of my nose, side of my cheek, and I'm also going to put on my lip because I feel like that gives a cute little pop to the lipstick. Alright, so now I'm taking this brown eyeliner pencil and I'm just taking it out my lips, as you guys can see. I just wanted to give this like ombre effect with my lipstick and make it look really pretty and cute. Okay friends, so now I'm going to take this MAC lipstick and I'm going to take that and put that over the brown lipstick as earlier, and I'm just going to take that and blend in. I really like this shade. It's really, really pretty. It's a little nude. I definitely highly recommend it. I got this in my BoxyCharm, so if you guys ever want to try BoxyCharm, you should definitely. Okay, and now I'm going to take this lip lava from CoverGirl. It's named Lava, and it's really pretty. It's like this shimmery, cute little lip gloss. It's a lip topper, and it looked really cute, and it just looked all glue together. I definitely love this. I wish that it was not discontinued. I actually had big lots 2 years ago. I still have a bunch of colors of them, and I highly rave about this. Alright guys, so this is just a little close up look on the eye look. I didn't get the finishes off the face, so that's what I'm going to do now. I had realized I had forgot my bottom lash line, so I took Mama Dragon and I just took that and smoked that out on my bottom lash line to give it this cute illusion or whatever. It really tied the look all together, and I really, really loved it. Alrighty, now we are finally finished with this look. It looks absolutely stunning, so cute and beautiful. It's beautiful for Valentine's Day. It don't matter, girl, if you're gonna go out to a club, you're gonna go out by yourself, you're gonna go on a date. This is a cute look. We had to come closer. You already know, it is so cute. And I also had to fix my dress because I had realized that it was up. It was way up in my neck. But if you're new here, please subscribe. If you're not new here, girl, let me know below what your favorite video is, and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you guys leave a comment, and bye. Have a great day. Happy Valentine's Day.